So hello friend, we are discussing about database most important related short question for Lok Seva and your any subject for your exam point of view. So first of all, we have a first question about DBMS, like mentions the difference between database and DBMS. So in this question ask what is the difference between a database and DBMS. So here as I can create table and see database collection of related data, and DBMS database management system software that manage and control the database nature is store raw data. Other side DBMS store natures are provide interface to work with the database. Now third point, database main function hold data in structured form. Perform in DBMS performs operation like insert, update, delete, and search. Simply called database. Here is 4 point. Database depends cannot be managed without DBMS. Other side, DBMS act as a bridge between users and database. For example, student record implies data are example of database. For in DBMS examples are Oracle, MySQL, MS Access, Postgre, etc. In conclusion, we see a database is the collection of data, while a DBMS is the software that manages and makes the database useful. Now we have second question. Also we have created tables for better understanding. So now our second question is define the terms, fields, and record with example in term of DBMS. First of all, field. A smallest unit of data in a database representing a single piece of information. Other side, record collection of related fields representing one's complete entity. Here is the purpose of fields and record. The main purpose of field here field stores a single attribute of an entity. He can only attribute a single, but other side store complete information about entity. He can store all of the information. For example, name, roll number, etc. For example, name equal to RAM, roll number 12, address Nepal. Thus, a field holds one attribute, while a record is a set of a field that form a complete database entity. Now moving third question. Here, who is DBA? Explain the role of DBA. A DBA, database administrator, is a person responsible for managing, maintaining, and securing a database to ensure smooth and efficient operation. The main role of DBA are: DBA means a person who is responsible for managing, maintaining, and securing data. Better understanding, we use security guard. Simply, here is the main role of DBA database design. He could design database plans and design the structure of the database for efficient storage and retrieval. Another point is data security. Protect the database from unauthorized access and branches. Here is third point, backup and recovery. Maintaining regular backup and store data in the case of lose or failure. Any data is loose, he can maintain backup. Performing monitoring. Monitor database performance and optimize queries for a fast access. User management. Controls access, right, and permission for a database users. In conclusion, conclusion is important for any question. A DB ensures the database is secure, efficient, and reliable by managing its design, access, and performance. Now moving our fourth question. Here is our fourth question. What is a relationship in a database? Explain. Relationship is database describes how two or more tables are connected to each other based on a common data. It helps in organizing and retrieving related information efficiently. Types of relationship are one-to-one. One record in a table is related to one record in another table. For example, each student has only one student. Now next is one to many. One to many. One record in a table is related to multiple records in another table. For example, a teacher can teach many students. Now third is many to many. Multiple records in one table are related to multiple records in another table. For example, students can enroll in multiple courses and each course can have many students. So now we are moving our final conclusion. Relations in a database define how data is connected, making it easier to store, retrieve, and maintaining consistency in the database. Now our first question, fifth question number. What is MS Access list? List the 4 common objects of MS Access, like MySQL, Postgre database. In this place we can create, update, data entered, and many more work in this application. So here is the definition. MS Access is a database management system from Microsoft that allows user to create, manage, and manipulate database easily using tables, query, and reports. Here is the most 4 common object of MS. Here are the four common object from like MySQL, Postgre are common things. First one is table, store data in row and columns. Second one, query, retrieve and manipulate data from tables based on a specific condition. Form provides a user-friendly and interface to enter, view, and edit data. Report display data from the database in the formatted and pointable way. In conclusion, MS Access helps user to organize and manage and analyze data efficiently using its object like tables, queries, and forms and reports. Now this is our 5 question for 5 mark. Thank you for watching video.